What is up, my butter biscuits? In today's video, I thought it would be fun to talk about like makeup holiday sets that I would actually purchase. I most likely won't be purchasing all of them, but I will definitely be picking up a few. I kind of did a similar video to this back in October, I believe it was, where I titled the video something along the lines of like everything that I would purchase from the holiday sale if I was rich, but I'm poor. So let's just talk about it. This is kind of just like holiday sets that I would actually buy, holiday sets that I think are worth the money. I do plan on doing kind of like an anti-haul version about that too. Also, I'm going to do my regular, what the hell am I even talking about? I'm gonna do my regular anti-haul and are they bops or flops videos this month as well too. So you guys are kind of getting like extra makeup content this month. I was actually going to tell you guys I was gonna try to do kind of like, you know how like in December only, let's just keep it real, only because the ad rates are up, I was gonna try to like upload a video every single day, kind of like how people do for Vlogmas, but I was gonna do all makeup related videos as far as like commentary, talking about new makeup collections and just different types of things. But I was like, you know what? It's a long month and that's kind of like a lot of content, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to keep with that, so let me not even like promise it. But I was like, you know what, let's just add on top of that too and talk about the holiday sets, because Sephora is going to be having an additional 20% off sale, which I do believe is from December 10th to the December 2nd, sorry, to the 10th, I believe it is. You know what, I have a picture of it from Trend Mood. Let me look that up right now before I tell you guys the wrong information, then y'all are gonna get mad at me. Because there, you know what, I'm so glad that this is actually coming back around, because I didn't get everything that I wanted to get. It's from December 2nd to December 11th. So just in case you guys are curious about that, and it's 20% off your purchase. And correct me if I'm wrong on this, but reading from Trend Mood right here, I think it's up to like everybody. Like, I don't think that you have to be a Rouge member. It literally just says Friday, December 2nd to Sunday, December 11th, 20% off your purchase. Also 30% off the Sephora collection. And that's just pretty much it. It doesn't say that it's for Rouge members only. So I think that everybody's going to get an opportunity to get 20% off. Also, speaking about 20% off, am I crazy, or like, did Ulta just like skip their 20% off of everything? Like, I remember they did it like, I don't know, was it around spring or something like that? And then they did the 21 days of beauty, but I always kind of like wait for them to do the 20% off around holidays, and I haven't heard anything about that. Like, did I just completely miss over that whole entire thing? Because I wait to purchase some things from there for that like 20% off, and I'm like, where is that at? So anyways, we're going to be talking about all the sets that I think are worth it and the sets that I would be purchasing from Sephora. Keep an eye out in the next coming weeks for my anti-haul version of this. Make sure you guys click the link down below, head over to my second channel. Please go give a subscribe over there, give a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. I upload new videos there every single Sunday. It's my travel channel with my brother, and y'all, I love that channel so much. I'm having so much fun with it, so make sure you guys go show some love over there. I would really appreciate that. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up also. I'd appreciate that, and let's go ahead and get into it. I forgot to mention too in the intro of this video, there are a couple products that I did mention in the first sale, so I'm just sorry if I'm repeating a couple of things in here, but I do think that it is important because y'all, there's things that I still want that I mentioned within that video. Also, the very first thing that I want to go ahead and talk about right here is the Mothership Mega Celestial Nirvana palette from Pat McGrath. The reason why I wanted to mention this, because at the time of me filming this video, it's currently on sale for $62. If it stays on sale for $62, I don't know why I have a feeling that it's not going to. I really am hoping that it does though, because the original price is $82. But if it stays on sale till the 2nd, and then you get the 20% off on top of that, that is an amazing deal, because originally $82 and then it's down to $62 right now, and then a 20% off on top of that, like that would be such a bomb deal. And then I think I will pull the trigger and actually pick it up, because I did mention this palette before within my other video of things that I would purchase from the Sephora holiday sale if I was rich, but clearly I didn't end up picking this up. And I did tell you guys within that video, this is actually my least favorite color story of hers from all of her holiday palettes, but I do have the previous two, and I just love her quality. I feel like her quality of her eyeshadows is just so absolutely amazing that I kind of have like become a collector of them. And I feel like specifically within these holiday palettes, because you get so many shadows in there, and I'm the type of person that I'm not even going to touch pan on these shadows because I don't do my makeup that much anymore. But I obviously do love to have them for when I do full faces of makeup or when I do my friends' makeup too. I love to have these palettes. So I'm kind of hoping that it does stay on sale for $62 when the sale rolls around, because y'all, that's just like a bomb deal, you know? Anyway, so yeah, that's the first thing right there. I wanted to talk about that only because it's not a set, as well as I've mentioned it before. There is one other product in here that I thought, oh yeah, you know what, let's go ahead and get this out of the way. The other product that I wanted to talk about that I have sitting right here, but I still wanted to mention it to you guys, is the Patrick Starr One Size Beauty On Till Dawn Mattifying Spray. I told you guys within my previous video, my haul video of like the things that I ended up purchasing from the 20% off sale. This to me is such an amazing deal. It's $39 for 2 full-size sprays. This spray to me literally is just so amazing. I've told you guys before, I feel like a lot of like setting sprays that claim to be like waterproof and transfer proof and all that good stuff, I really don't feel like works. I feel like this does. You guys know I mentioned it to you before. In August, I went to Universal Studios Orlando. I went to Disney World Orlando. It was just like insane weather. I'm talking about like, it was like one day was like 96 degrees with 95% humidity. And then it was like pouring, like y'all, my makeup stayed on, and it's because of that spray. So I really do recommend that spray. You guys will not like it if you're dry though. It is very, very mattifying, but it definitely does work. And this is such an amazing deal because I think that one bottle of that is $32. I want to say it is. And you get 2 of these full size for $39 and then plus the 20% off. So I think I'm actually going to pick up another one of those because I just felt like it's such an amazing deal. And I'm like, let me stay on deck with those sprays because I love them so much. So if I can find one in stock while the 20% is going around, I am definitely going to get another one of those. I love that spray so much. And y'all, every single time that I go out, I spray it on because I end up getting sweaty and my makeup still looks good at the end of the day. So I highly recommend that. So moving on to into other products that I have not talked about. Something else that I would actually like to try and I feel like is really cute is the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies Best Sellers Kit. Y'all know that I love Glow Recipe and I feel like something like this is just so cute, especially for somebody like me who loves to try new products. I feel like I need to start looking out for like little mini sets because I need to stop like buying the full size of things and then I end up like not liking it and then it's just like a waste of money. Things like this are perfect for me because they are basically trial size, so you get to see how you like it and then purchase the full size if you wish to. But within this set right here, you do, oh sorry, I gotta zoom in on here. You get the avocado retinol eye mask, which I really have been wanting to try. You get the niacinamide dew drops, which is another thing that I really want to try. And the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Haven't tried that. The Watermelon Glow, what is that? Oh no, it's blocking. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Let me see the, sorry about that. I could not find the name. The Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner. And then also the Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum, which I already do have and I do like that. And this is for $32. And then on top of that, you would get 20% off. So I feel like this is a really cute set. Also, I feel like this makes for a really good gift for somebody who's getting into skincare. This is the perfect like sampler right here so they can get to see what they like and what works for them. And y'all, I feel like honestly Glow Recipe does make some pretty good skincare products. You guys know recently I picked up the Plum Cream. It sucks that I like really like that moisturizer. Like, oh, it feels so good on my skin. My skin looks so beautiful, but it just balls up on me. It doesn't do it every time. It's really weird. I feel like just something is up with my skin. I've mentioned it before whenever I use the Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer, it does the same thing too. And I'm like, okay, I'm starting to think that like moisturizers with hyaluronic acid in them just do that on me for some reason, and it really bothers me because I love the Charlotte Tilbury one. If I'm being honest with you guys, I do like the Charlotte Tilbury one better than the Plump. I just feel like, I don't know, it makes my skin look so bomb. And on top of that too, when it's not like peeling off, oh my gosh, my makeup looks so amazing on top of it. Somebody had mentioned before in a previous video, like maybe I use something before that is like counteracting with it. Like say for example, if you use something that's oil based and then put something that's water based on top of it, it messes with it. But y'all, it's really crazy because like that's the first thing that I do. Like I'll put a moisturizer on. Say for example, there'll be some days where I'll do like my full skincare. There's some days where I'm in a hurry where I'll literally just put on moisturizer after the shower. Do you know what I mean? And it just still balls up. So I'm like, I cannot figure it out. But anyways, nonetheless, I feel like this set right here is really cute. And on top of that too, you do get a lot of products in there to try, especially for only 32 bucks, but then plus the 20% off on top of that. And it makes for a really good gift. Okay, this next product right here is actually something that I would not purchase for myself because I just don't see the hype on it. But the reason why I'm throwing it into this video is because obviously it's all gift set related. And I would actually pick up this fresh Color and Care Sugar lip set right here, where you do get a Sugar Advanced Therapy and a Sugar Rose lip treatment from the brand Fresh. Now, my friend really is obsessed with these, and y'all, like, she really tried to put me onto them. She's like, oh my gosh, this is the best lip balm ever, and I just don't see the hype on it, honestly. You guys know me and my little Vaseline tub. That's, like, literally my best friend, honestly. So this I don't really get the hype around. I don't really feel like it is worth it, but these are expensive, y'all. I want to say one of these is, like, $19. So this little set right here, to me, is good for a gift for somebody, but for myself, I don't personally like it. But once again, every single time that I do, like, an anti-haul video or, like, a new makeup drops or they bops or flops video, like, it's literally just my opinion, and something that works for you may not work for me and vice versa, you know what I mean? And this just goes to show you right here, my friend is obsessed with these lip balms right here, but I'm not. I just felt like they're just kind of like mediocre, and I feel like the little lip Vaselines work way better for me, and those are only like $2, you know what I mean? And this is $25 for two, but I feel like this is the perfect time to get this as a cute little gift for her, especially considering that this is only $25, and you get 20% off on top of that. So yeah, this is a product that I don't really like, but I would definitely pick it up for my friend considering she loves them. Correct me if I'm wrong on these right here. I swear this is like all year round, but maybe for some reason I just focus on it during holidays time because I feel like this is such a cute set. This is the Pat McGrath lip mini lip shine trio in the shade Nude Venus. There is another shade on here, but y'all, whew, it took me about 30 minutes going through the holiday sets before this video because the Sephora app just kept on crashing. I'm like, oh my gosh, every time I would scroll down, it would just crash. So I couldn't get a screenshot of the other set. Anyways, this is it right here where you get a lipstick, a lip gloss, and a lip liner for $25. And then once again with the 20% off. I feel like things like this are such a cute little gift. And on top of that, for somebody like me, I feel like this is the perfect size, especially because I'm not really going to go through a full size of a lipstick or a full size lip gloss only because I have so many different products. And on top of that, I like to try so many different ones. So mini sizes are like becoming my best friend now, so that way I don't like run through them. But I will be honest with y'all, like a lot of times I really end up I really end up getting the full size only because I'm like, minis are low-key kind of a rip-off, you know? Like a lot of the times you get like less than half of the product for like only $5-10 cheaper. So I'm like, let me just get the full size even though I don't end up using it. But these right here I feel like make for the perfect gift. And on top of that too, I love Pat McGrath lip glosses. And y'all, I just feel like her stuff is such really good quality. And then the fact that you can get this for only $20, it makes for a really cute gift. Another thing that I actually haven't tried before, but I was like, you know what? Speaking of gifts, everybody loves Rare Beauty. I still have yet to try one single product from Rare Beauty. I know I am sleeping on them because everybody really does love them. And I feel like they are probably one of the most highest rated celebrity brands, and I feel like I'm just sleeping on them only because nothing has really made me pull the trigger to buy it. Nothing is like, oh my gosh, I need it. But this right here I feel like is a gorgeous color, so that's why I was like, this set right here would be perfect. So this is the Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez Mini Kind Words Matte Lip Duo. And this comes with a lipstick and a lip liner. You know what? I don't see the shade name right here. Yeah, I don't see the... Oh, it's literally right there. Called the color Humble. I feel like this shade is absolutely gorgeous. This is something that I would probably end up picking up for myself because that's like the perfect like pinky nude that I like right there. Or I would pick it up as a gift, y'all. For $20, this is like easy, simple, cute, and affordable, you know, because you end up getting $4 off. Next up on the list, we have the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm Makeup Remover Duo. Y'all, this right here, oh my gosh, I love this product, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like most of the time I'm a little bit too lazy to use it. I just always end up going towards a makeup wipe, or I'll like use that and then a makeup wipe. I know the world is like anti-makeup wipe right now, but I just feel like, y'all, especially for somebody like me who, say for example, I have like long days, or if I'm going out and I'm coming home like a little bit tipsy, like I'm not trying to do the full routine, but I love this product. It works amazing. On top of that, I feel like this is a really good deal. So this is $48 for two, but if you were going to purchase just one of them, it's $36. So you're basically getting the other one for $12, but then if you think about it, you get the 20% off on top of it too. So even more affordable. This is the type of thing right here, because a full size of this, because I have the mini one and the mini one has lasted me months now. I would like to like go halves with like a friend on this, only because I'm like, y'all, if we split it, that's like a bomb deal right there. Do you know what I mean? And I don't really need two of them. So this is something that I would actually like to purchase and kind of like split. Or maybe I could like purchase and then give like one to a friend, you know what I mean, for a gift, because that is a really good deal. Speaking of really good deals, okay, at the time of this video, this is probably going to sell out, or it's probably not going to be on sale, but this right here is the KVD Beauty Kitten Mini Perfect Cat Eyes Mini Mascara and Eyeliner Set. This is on sale right now for $9. For $9. That's why I was like, I have to throw this in this video, because for $9, you get a mini mascara, a mini trooper liner, and y'all, that mascara is good. I like it. It's not my favorite, but I do like it. And then the tattoo liquid liner, which everybody loves. I feel like this is just such a cute set, and on top of that too, it's just so affordable. Like, honestly, y'all, it's originally priced $20, on sale right now for $9. Imagine if you get the 20% off on top of that too. Like, that is just an amazing deal, and I feel like it makes for an amazing gift right there, because it's like, who doesn't use eyeliner and mascara? It's just so simple. So if that is on sale when the 20% off rolls around, I'm probably gonna pick up a couple of those, because I just feel like they're just so easy. Honestly, y'all, I know I've said it time and time again, and you guys are just like so tired of hearing it at this point. I totally get it. It's like so repetitive, but I really have to be so frugal, y'all. Like, I just have spent so much money recently, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I gotta save to buy a house. So every like penny that I can save, I really am trying my hardest to save. So something like this that I can still be thoughtful and get for somebody, it's just like really cute and really affordable. So I love that. So I'll definitely be picking up a couple of these if they're for that price. Another lip set right here that I wanted to talk about is actually something that I don't like once again. But this is the Too Faced Mini Lip Injections, the Icon Lip Plumper, where you get the maximum plump and the original for $25. They are the mini size, but one mini size is $16. So this would be $32 normally, but it's $25. And then once again, the 20% off. But I would definitely pick up something like this for my homegirls, y'all. So many of my friends love this so much. And you know what's so weird? I've tried this product before, and I'm like, y'all, I don't want to get my lips done, but sometimes I want a little bit of a plump, you know? And I've tried this before because my homegirls love it so much, and I really do see that it works for them, but on me, it just doesn't really work. Like, my lips get like more so red rather than plump. They do get a little bit plumped, you know, but like on two of my homegirls specifically, like their lips get like plump and juicy, where I'm like, oh my gosh, it literally does look like you got your lips done. But it just goes to show you that people are just sensitive to products more so than others, and I feel like I'm the type of person where I'm not really sensitive to products, so therefore it doesn't work as well on me. So this is not something that I would purchase for myself, but I would definitely purchase it as a gift, considering a lot of my girlfriends really do love this product. I don't really like it. Speaking of which, I don't know what is wrong with me. It has happened so many times where I'm at the bar and like my friends will put on that lip injections right there, and then we'll like share a drink or something. And yes, I know we shouldn't be sharing drinks, okay? But when you're just a little bit buzzed, you just share drinks. Do you know what I mean? I know we shouldn't do it, okay? I don't want to hear about it. But it just goes out the window. I feel like everything goes out the window when you got a couple drinks in you. And there's been some times where I'll take a drink of their drink and I'm like, oh my gosh, what's happening to my lips? Why is it like that? Like, oh my gosh, did I catch something from you? Just playing around with my friends, you know, and it's the lip injections. Anyways, moving on to the very last product right here, which I want to say I don't think is like that good of a deal, but you're getting a couple free products in this, and I do think that it is cool that Armani is doing this. If you guys have been waiting to pull the trigger on the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, which I think I'm going to be picking up another one, I'm like 90% sure I'm going to end up getting this set right here, actually. Only because I don't know what it is. That foundation has won me over. Like, y'all know recently I did a review of the House Labs foundation. I really do like that foundation. But I have realized that, you know what? Like, I really do like it. Don't get me wrong. But it is probably still a little bit too much coverage of what I like now. Like, I really do like something like the Luminous Silk foundation. I feel like I'm starting to get okay with a little bit of my redness showing through. I'm starting to be fine with that, which before I'm like, y'all, I want to shellac on foundation just to cover up that redness. And the older I get, the more I'm just like, you know what? It is what it is. Like, let me tone it down a little bit, and if it shows through, that's fine. And I really do like this. So this set right here is $65, and you get a mini mascara as well as a mini lipstick with it. It's still $65. That is the original price of the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. But think about it this way. You're getting 20% off on top of that, but then you're also getting a free lipstick and a free mini mascara. So to somebody like me, I'm like, this is a win, because not only am I going to get 20% off on it, but then I'm also going to get those two free products for free. You know what I mean? And even though I may not use those products, I could give them to somebody else, you know, or I could put them into somebody's stocking as like a stocking stuffer. And I feel like something like that is a good deal, you know? If you guys have not tried this foundation, please let me know how you like it. It is very, very sheer. I would definitely consider it just to be sheer to medium. You cannot build that foundation up. I have tried. There has been times where I'm just like, oh my gosh, like let me try to build this up to get full coverage. It does not build up, but that's totally fine. You know, recently what I've liked, oh my gosh, last time I did my foundation when I was going out, I did, this is for my whole face, okay? I did one pump of the House Labs foundation, and then I did probably about 2 pumps of the Giorgio Armani, and I was like, oh, this is like perfect. It completely covered my redness, but it wasn't like too much coverage. Cause y'all, I have noticed when I do like 2 pumps of the House Labs foundation, I'm like, whoa, it ends up being a little bit too much for me. And mixing those two together, I was like, oh, this is amazing. So that's why I was like, I gotta pick up one more of these, because the shade that I have right now, not only am I almost out of it, but it is definitely my summer color, and I have gotten very, very light. So I need to get a new shade of that. But that wraps it up for my holiday sets video. Honestly, y'all, I feel like there's some really good deals in here. Once again though, just like I said in my previous video, this is the best deal. If you guys like this spray, it's literally almost buy one get one free. Like, it is just such an amazing deal, and I love that spray so much. Anyway, so make sure you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions on everything. Make sure you guys let me know about the deals. I love when you guys like tag me on like deals and stuff like that on Instagram. So please, if you guys see any really good deals, let me know about that, because y'all know I'm bargain hunting, y'all. I follow so many couponers now too, because now I'm at the point in my life where I'm like, I gotta save every penny that I can get. So I follow all these couponers and will just pick up my stuff when I see a good deal on it. Do you know what I mean? So make sure you guys are tagging me and commenting and let me know where there are some good deals, especially after Christmas. I feel like after Christmas is like the best time. I'll probably do another video after Christmas, because I do notice that everything goes on like big time sales. They have to get rid of all the holiday sets that they didn't sell. So I'll probably do another one of these videos after Christmas, when things like get even better of a deal. So anyways, I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.